Candles burn, oil lamps burn to create light, incense sticks burn, bulbs burn. They are burning themselves to create some beautiful experiences. So IBS is also is kind of a burning because people suffer too much when they are having IBS, and this burning can bring enlightenment. It's the way of looking at it, and you will experience the enlightenment in this burning. Let's take an example. Okay, Anirudh, thank you. So let's take an example. There is a village. In this village, many people live. They all have the same financial status, and most of them find it really hard to survive. Now, somehow, a person started thinking different way while he was having same issues which every villager is having, but he started to think different. And what happened is that he started to act different. The situation was same. Hey, thank you whoever is watching. Preeti ji, thank you for watching. So situation was same. Brijesh, Brijendra, yeah, hi. So situation for every villager was same, but this guy took this opportunity and thought different. He started taking actions, and after some time and after few years, he reached to a position where his most of his colleagues or villagers are find it surprising, astonishing. They are not able to accept that this person has become so rich. So that's why let's take IBS in that way. Let's look IBS in that way. Some people, via their imagination, via their thinking, via their massive actions, are able to take a lead in defeating IBS. That is what is needed. And once you do it, most of other people who are suffering from IBS will find it really hard to believe. But it's not about believing, it's about doing. I said burning is required to make you enlightened. So take this IBS as a burning thing, and this burning will produce lots of better results which you have not achieved, you or you might not have achieved in years or in your births on this earth. So that's why I would say that don't take this IBS just as suffering. Take this IBS as that burning opportunity which will bring light in your life. And that is how the IBS should be taken. When I ask people, yeah, thank you. When I ask people what they should do, like what they are doing right now to heal the IBS or how their journey should start, they are mostly talking about diet. They are mostly talking about medicines. That is good. That is good. That is initially needed. But if you keep yourself focused just on thinking of what to eat, what not to eat, this is not about what life is about. Life has some more better purpose. So, my dear friends, just focus on that purpose is also required, and that is only possible when we utilize our this birth and this burning as an opportunity to go back and look, self inspection, that what what is needed now. So go and read your most religious books. IBS meaning, okay, irritable bowel syndrome. It is kind of a disease which is or symptom. Hey man, Vishal. So it is a kind of nice to see you on my live session. Thank you. Hope you are doing good. So it is a symptom in which a person has really bad time. He experiences diarrhea. He experiences constipations. He experiences uncontrolled motions, and those motions sometimes happens many times. He might experience constipation, he might experience gas, he might experience bloating, he might experience nausea, he might experience lightheadedness. There are so many symptoms which this person suffers from, and the problem is that there is no definite cure in science. So most people, whenever they have the symptoms, reoccurring symptoms for months, they go for doctor advice. Doctor asks them to go for colonoscopy and sometimes endoscopy. And once this that is confirmed that they have everything normal, then still they are having these symptoms. That means that there is a problem with their body or some internal mechanism which science is not able to yet now identify clearly. Some say that it is fitness, some say that it is stress, some say that it is related to your digestive system disorder, some say that it is due to the infection, some says that weakening of body capabilities due to aging. But this symptoms also appears in the people who are very young. Hey, thank you, man. Thank you very much, Vishal. Yeah, I keep because I am here to motivate people. I have to be like that only. Then only the person will feel the energy. This is really important because IBS people are having lots and lots of pain. They do not believe anyone that they can heal their IBS. That's why is this energy level is needed. So I was discussing, coming back to the point, when I deal with people or who tell me their problems, then they may be belonging to different countries, different culture, different religion, and so they will be having their different lifestyle, their different eating styles, their different ways of looking at life. So it is very difficult to suggest one single solution for these people. So the easiest way and the way I started was to look back at the book, the most religious book of your culture, and that is going to IBS can be controlled via medicines initially, but because dependency, it creates dependency, people become dependent on these medicines. So that is kind of having side effects. Also, uh, in longer terms, people want to have something better. So that's why this IBS is somehow not easily controllable for everybody. So that's why people are dreaded by this term IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, and especially diarrhea symptoms. Because if you are not aware, some people are constantly having diarrhea. They are experiencing diarrhea so much that they are wearing diapers because they never know when that moment can happen with them. So they are everywhere going. Their social life is hell. They are mostly sticking at their homes and doing work from home. So Corona is an opportunity. This is the time when you can spend the time with yourself and heal your IBS. Aggression is needed, man. Everybody will need aggression in treating IBS. Look, think IBS as that contender, that strong contender, which is trying to take your girlfriend, which is life. Now you want to beat that contender. So how would you? Hey Gulam, how are you, man? I've been waiting for you. I asked for your phone number. I tried to call you, man. Why you have given me the wrong number? Please provide me the correct number. I want to contact you. Please. So this is about like the contender who is your IBS. So he is much stronger than you and he is trying to take that life which is your girlfriend. So what you can do to beat him? It's aggression, man. You need to deal with the things with such aggression. Yeah, Gulam sir, don't you are please give me the correct number so that we can keep we can contact. I can contact you, man. I want to touch base with you for your problem. Please provide me the correct number. So I was telling that aggression will be needed definitely, because you cannot leave it there. And the best way, the most good approach to show aggression in most passive way is to go to your books of your religion and start reading them every day, and that will make you enlightened, because people are looking for external validations. That's why they are failing. They are thinking that somehow a person comes and provide me some external validation, he provides me some solution. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, Vishal. Thank you. You are also very stylish. I also want to see you that way. Thank you. So I was saying that, see, IBS wants us to have some burning, and this burning is definitely going to produce some enlightenment. IBS is the aggressive person who is trying to steal your girlfriend, which is your life. IBS is your contender. You are one contender, IBS is another contender. IBS wants to take your life, which is your girlfriend, and you want your girlfriend back. And you have to beat this IBS. And the easiest way, and where I started, was looking at the book of my religion, because when I am talking to you, your culture is different, your thinking is different, your religion may be different, your food habits may be different. So if I provide you a solution that might not work for you exactly, but that doesn't mean that IBS cannot be healed. First, you go ahead with reading your book, the most religious book of your religion, and you will have that. You will have, yeah, because that is needed. People who will look for external validations, like provide me a quick solution, provide me this, they are just looking for external validations. This is not going to work in longer terms. Internally, what is there is reflected outside. Every religion book says that whatever you have internally, you are feeling, that will manifest outside. So if you're feeling good inside, somehow someday you will experience that good outside. And I was not believing these facts 11 years ago, but the way I changed. Thank you, Gulam. Thank you. I think I dialed this number. Just a minute. I'm on my mobile. I cannot check that. I dialed this number. It was showing me incorrect. So please, give me a missed call. I will provide you the number. I will give you the missed call. So 11 years, I also used to believe that what is external, we are even not knowing that. How we can know our internal self? It is again a gray area. The things, because human like to see the things, human like to feel the things, humans like to actually experience the things. So they are looking for external validations, but the internal things are not visible. We are not able to see. That's why people are not believing that that power is going to work from them. So that's why they always keep getting discussion like, what is that external thing I should put into myself so that it becomes magical. Your magic is inside you, my dear friends. It is inside you. It is waiting to be discovered, and I discovered it. And when it is discovered for you, you will automatically get all the answers. All the answers. The motivation I can provide you, the help I can provide you. क्या IBS D से ठीक होता है? बिल्कुल होता है. IBS D सिस्टम ठीक होता है इस दुनिया, बिल्कुल होता है मेरे दोस्त आमिर खान, बिल्कुल होता है. आपको अपने अंदर की शक्तियों को जागृत करना है. यू नीड टू मेक योर the inner energies awakened, your inner powers awakened, and that is not easy thing to do. That's why the people believe that it is impossible, but it is not impossible. And I give you a pointer that start with your book of religion, and you will have the enlightenment. After that, we can have discussion, man. There is definitely approach which needs to be followed, and I will give you for free, man. This is not something I'm going to charge for you. Come on, this is about your health. This is about your pain, man. If you have IBS, don't worry, man. This is not something which I'm going to charge. This is selfless service. But first, understand your religion. First, understand its teachings. Then something might click you. There will be a eureka moment waiting for you, and then we can discuss what can be the easiest approach to tackle it down the IBS-C symptoms. So there are a few things like, if you're eating food and you're thinking that it is going to hurt you, it is going to give you a bad stomach problem, it is going to give you a diarrhea, it will give you a diarrhea. If you are morning, you are waking up with this thoughts, I do have diarrhea. If you're sleeping with this thoughts, do I have diarrhea? So that is going to manifest again and again and again. And that's how, see, negative words are the heavier words. Negative thoughts are the heavier thoughts. They remain with us. But our super positive thoughts are our lighter thoughts. They go up, but there is some time it takes to they come back to us. That's why that time lag is making us impatient and thinking that nothing is happening. But my friend, it is happening. It is slowly happening, and this slowness is what person becomes impatient. I i have taken this challenge 5 days ago. And hey, Rajkumar, how are you? And I'm taking a break from all the medicines for this 15 days. And this 15 days, yeah, hi, Rajkumar. This 15 days, I take some medicines like multivitamins. I take some sometimes cholesterol medicines. I also take the Trifla churn. I also take the Amla churn. So I'm taking a break for 15 days, and this time my body would rejuvenate. You have been seeing my videos about rope jumping. It is a stupidity, right? You believe so. I also believed it. Guess what? Yeah, I'm also good, man. I'm good. From last 4 5 years, I have been suffering from cholesterol problem. I was not able to enjoy the food. Every time I used to eat samosas, pizzas, anything which others are enjoying, I was not feeling the enjoyment, the fun. But you guess what? After doing this insane exercise for last 4 5 months, first time my cholesterol level has become normal. It's automatically come normal. It is 180. This test 5 days ago, it was 180. Bridgender, it can be, man. This chances of cancers are can be ruled out with colonoscopy. And man, it's a myth. Like most of the English people suffer from, they think that that is a cancer, but definitely you can go for colonoscopy. It's safe. If you can rule out that possibility of cancer, in order you can get it checked, and you can rule out the possibility. So I was telling that your greater contender, the IBS, is the other male inside you, and you are your own, and your life is your girlfriend, which this IBS is trying to steal from you. So you have to show aggression. Don't tell me that you do not have energy. You have this energy, and you have to find the way. I was telling a story of a poor man who is living in a village, and somehow he decided to become rich. Only when he decided to become rich, then he can do some effort. If he thinks that he is never going to become rich, never that is going to happen. And once he will become rich, other people will say that you are a liar. You have tried something else. But actually he changed his thoughts, he changed his actions, and universe further promoted him to do more better actions, more better clarity. And his religious book will definitely help him more and more each and every day. And I am sitting here, man. You feel low, you connect with me. It's free, it's no charge, man. Come on, connect with me. I will make you super energized. You give me a missed call, man. I will save your number. We can talk anytime you want. But I want you to be happy in your life. I want you to get healed. That is how I'm going to remove this IBS from most of people. I removed it from me. It is not completely, but I have got this energy. My universe, my energy inside me is asking me to work further for you guys who are depressed. Okay, okay, Gulam, okay, Gulam ji, I will take that number. Rajkumar, how you are doing, man? Tell me. And Brijender, it will have chances of cancer. Go ahead with colonoscopy. Go ahead with all these free preliminary tests, and that will rule out any possibilities. I don't think so. You will having any cancer. Most of people come out clean from that cancer results. Uh, when I discuss mostly about the diarrhea symptoms because it is most difficult one to handle because most people are suffering from this intolerable diarrhea and that is spoiling their life quality. So this is burning. IBS is that opportunity which has happened in your life and it wants you to realize your real potential. And this real potential will make you the person, the hero of your life. It's about becoming hero to your own self. When you become the hero to your own self, then only you start producing that energy that others start feeling that. So Gulamji, Rajkumar and Brijesh, it is about just going little back and having that patience, doing all the required prayers, leaving all those thoughts. आपको लगता नहीं कि जब मुझे ऐसा होता है या गुड whenever I feel low, like from 4 days, I'm not having these medicines. So thoughts are coming to me, man, you're not taking medicines. Are you okay? Man, you're not taking your cholesterol medicine, you're not taking your multivitamins, you're not taking the trifluchur, and you're eating, you're doing things as normal. I say just go away. I have written my strong affirmation points and I keep repeating them, keep repeating them, keep repeating them every time. And this has changed my thought process, man, and it is going to change for you. 100% thought process change is not possible. What is 100%, man? Nothing guarantees 100% success. If your success is even 60 and 70%, you have the chances to feel the happiness free. Don't look for this giving something like a break, like you don't want to eat this. This is going to make you more worse. In your childhood, did you feel that you had something which needs to be avoided? The real happiness is about enjoying everything. It's not about, yeah, like forcing yourself to stop when you want to eat it. So I would say that start doing these strong affirmation practices. Start looking at a book of religion. Start using and utilizing the power of sun and moon. Start using copper bottles. Start using uh, the berry which is called as gooseberry, yeah, gooseberry powder. Start using the trufla churn little bit. So these things will help you to gain that energy back which IBS has completely destroyed. So I would say for today now I'll give a break here, and please utilize this IBS as opportunity in your life to get enlightened, in your life to get brighter, and make this life an opportunity to do the things which you have never ever done. Show the aggression, man. Let the IBS go out of your body and get your girlfriend, your life back. This is what you need to do. So that's it. What I wanted to say. Have a good night. Take care, my friends. Love you. Call me anytime. I'll share the number. Okay? Bye bye. Good night.